What is function?
Functions. In every input, there is exact output.
What is relation?
Relations. It is more than one output for a particular input.
What is the difference between domain, codomain, and range?
Domain. It is a set of inputs which serves as entry value to the function rule. Codomain. It is a set of all possible outputs. Range. It is a set of all outputs.
What is piecewise function?
Piecewise function, also known as hybrid function. A function defined by multiple subfunctions, each subfunction applying to a certain interval of the main function's domain, a subdomain.
Let's evaluate function. F of x is equals to x plus 3. X is equals to 2. So, f of 2 is equals to x plus 3. Substitute x to 2. So, 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Examples of piecewise function.
F of x is equal to x plus 3, x less than negative 2. 2x minus 2, negative 2 less than x less than or equal 1. X squared minus 1, 1 less than x less than 5. 3, x greater than or equal 5. In every outcome, we need to substitute the given x to the corresponding function. At the first function, we need to find the possible outcomes. The possible outcome, including the boundary, are negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. Negative 2 plus 3 equals 1. Negative 3 plus 3 equals 0. Negative 4 plus 3 equals negative 1. And negative 5 plus 3 equals negative 2. The second function, the possible outcome, including the boundary, are negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. 2 times negative 2 minus 2 equals negative 6. 2 times negative 1 minus 2 equals negative 4. 2 times 0 minus 2 equals negative 2. And 2 times 1 minus 2 equals 0. At the third function, the possible outcome, including the boundary, are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 squared minus 1 equals 0. 2 squared minus 1 equals 3. 3 squared minus 1 equals 8. 4 squared minus 1 equals 15. And 5 squared minus 1 equals 24. And for the last function, the possible outcome, including the boundary, are 5, 6, 7, and 8. Since we only have one value, therefore, all the given x to the corresponding function is equal to 3.
Another example of piecewise function. F of x equals 2x squared minus 3, x less than 2, and 2x plus 1, x greater than or equal to 2. The possible outcomes are negative 1, 0, 1, 2. 2x squared minus 3x substitute to negative 1, so 2 times negative 1 squared minus 3 equals negative 1. 2x squared minus 3x substitute to 0, so 2 0 squared minus 3 equals negative 3. 2x squared minus 3x substitute to 1, so 2 times 1 squared minus 3 equals negative 1. 2x squared minus 3x substitute to 2, so 2 times 2 squared minus 3 equals 5. 2x plus 1. All possible outcomes are 2, 3, 4, 5. 2x plus 1 x substitute to 2, so 2 times 2 plus 1 equals 5. 2x plus 1 x substitute to 3, so 2 times 3 plus 1 equals 7. 2x plus 1 x substitute to 4, so 2 times 4 plus 1 equals 9. 2x plus 1 x substitute to 5, so 2 times 5 plus 1 equals 11.